Hello guys, in the second tutorial I will show you how to create alignment, because in the first tutorial I already show you how to import point, how to create surface and how to make contour. So basically in the next this tutorial I will show you how to create alignment. For that we will go to alignment tool, alignment creation tool, open it and come here to the design criteria. Here the starting design speed we will give here like 80 or 100, and tick mark the use criteria based design, also tick mark this one, and now click the three dotted option over here and select Autodesk Civil 3D Metric 2004 roadway design. For this we will just open it and then OK. So the alignment layout tool will pop up here. Click the tangent with curves. So I'm clicking on this one and start the alignment from specify first point. And just right click. So the alignment should be prepare the design speed 80 km and it start from 0 RDs. So here already you can show the point of Karo PI station up to the in RD. So the in RD is 2 plus. So we can just change also the RD's text. For this we will go to the edit label group and click the major station, click here. So with the text height I will give it like 4 and change it to the white color. Apply, OK, and perpendicular line, OK. So you can check the style had been changed here. Also have more. The major station is 20 meter RDs change, and I will change it to 50 meter and this one to 25 meter. Apply, OK. Now you can check 0 plus 0 50, 0 plus 0 75, the minor one, and the major one is 0 for 100, or like this. So this is the way to how to create alignment. Save the project. So in the next tutorial I will show you how to create profile. So thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.